This video is brought to you by Juice. Get ready to use professional and easy to use transitions and presets, glitch animated background, logo reveal, text animation, different smooth transitions, trailer titles and many more. You can get them individually or you can get it in a bundle. It's also available for Premiere Pro and After Effects. Check out the first link in the description. Hello guys, welcome back to my another After Effects tutorial. In this After Effects tutorial, we are going to create this. Here you can see, I have imported the files required for this project. You can download them from below link in the description. Now let's see how to create this trailer title. Create a new composition. I will name it as title. Set time duration to 5 seconds. Remaining everything will be same. Perfect. Now in this composition we need to add our text. Here I will add my main text. Here I am using Objective Font Family. Adjust the font size according to the text. Align the text to the center. Let's increase the tracking amount. Perfect. Now for this text layer, we will create tracking keyframes. To do that, for text layer, from Animate, select Tracking. Now at end of the timeline, create keyframe for tracking. Now at start of the timeline, increase tracking amount as shown. Here you need to make sure paragraph alignment is set to center text. Create duplicate of this text layer, place it below. This will be our subtext. Here I will change font style to regular. Reduce the font size. Align the text layer if needed. You can see the preview. Now select both the text layers. Pre-compose it. I will name it as text. Perfect. Now let's add the glass texture media file to the timeline, scale it to 50%. For this text media, in Effects and Preset, search for Motion Tile, add it to the glass texture layer. For Motion Tile, select Mirror Edges, set output width to 500. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Offset. Add it to the glass media. At start of the timeline, create keyframe for Shift Center. Now at end of the timeline, change Shift Center value as shown. You can see the preview. Perfect. Now let's pre-compose this layer. Name it as Reflection. Select Move All Attribute into New Composition. Let's place this reflection composition below the text composition. For reflection, change Track Matte to Alpha Matte Text. Now for this reflection composition, in Effects and Preset, search for CC Glass. Add it to the reflection composition. For CC Glass, in Surface, set Bump Map to Text. Now set Softness to 45. Set Height to -20. Set Displacement to -150. Now in Light, set Light Type to point light. Perfect. Now in Effects and Preset, search for CC Blobble Eyes. Add it to Reflection Composition. For Blobble Eyes, in Blobiness, change Blob Layer to Text. Change Property to Alpha. Set Softness to 10. Now set Cutaway to 5. Now in Light, set Light to Point Light. Here you can adjust the light position. You can see the preview. Perfect. Now select both the compositions, pre-compose them, name it as Glossy Text. Let's change Glossy Composition to 3D. Now create a new camera. Create a new null object. Change null to 3D. Let's parent camera to null object. For null, press P to bring up position. Now at end of the timeline, create keyframe for position. Now at start of the timeline, increase Z position value as shown. You can see the preview. Select keyframes, change Keyframe Assistant to Easy Ease. Perfect. Now let's add the particles media file to the timeline. For media file, change mode to Add. Now add the smoke media file to the timeline. For smoke, change mode to Screen. Now press T to bring up opacity. At end of the timeline, create keyframe for opacity, set opacity to 30%. Now at start of the timeline, set opacity to 10%. You can see the preview. Here if you want you can adjust the position for the text to center. Or open the main text composition and position the text to center. Now let's create a new adjustment layer. In Effects and Preset, search for Optics Compensation. Add it to the adjustment layer. Now at 2 seconds, create keyframe for Field of View. At start of the timeline, change Field of View to 80. Select Reverse Lens Distortion. Change View to Vertical. Press U to view keyframes. Select Keyframes, change Keyframe Assistant to Easy Ease. Now again create a new adjustment layer. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Camera Lens Blur, add it to the adjustment layer. Now at 2 seconds, create keyframe for Blur Radius. Set Blur to 0. Now at start of the timeline, change Blur Radius to 45. Select Repeat Edge Pixels. Now let's create a new solid. Name it as Black. Now press T to bring up opacity, at start. Create keyframe for opacity. Now at 1 second, change opacity to 0%. Now let's see the complete preview. Similarly you can create multiple title, and create your trailer. To increase the speed of the tiles, you can adjust the keyframes. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. See you next week with another awesome tutorial.